Homeopathy for pets, dogs and cats. Homeopathy for pets, especially dogs and cats, has been gaining popularity among pet owners who are looking for more natural and less aggressive treatment options for certain health conditions. This therapeutic approach is part of integrative veterinary medicine and can be used both to treat specific issues and to support the overall balance and well-being of an animal's body. Homeopathy was developed in the 18th century by the German physician Samuel Hahnemann and is based on the principle known as like cures like. In other words, a substance that can cause certain symptoms in a healthy organism may, when administered in extremely diluted doses, help a sick organism react against those same symptoms. In a recent interview, a veterinarian explained this concept in simple terms. According to her, the basic principle of homeopathy is to administer very small doses of a substance to the sick animal, one that could produce similar symptoms, so that the condition does not worsen and the body's natural response is stimulated to promote healing. Instead of directly attacking the problem, as many conventional medications do, homeopathy aims to encourage the animal's own body to restore balance and recover naturally. In pets, homeopathy is most commonly used in chronic or recurring conditions, where conventional treatments may cause side effects or require long-term medication use. One of the most common areas where it may be recommended is skin conditions, such as allergic dermatitis, intense itching, hair loss, and skin irritation. Many dogs and cats suffer from persistent allergies, and some veterinarians use homeopathy to help reduce flare-ups and improve the animal's quality of life. Another area where homeopathy is frequently used is in emotional and behavioral issues. Animals that experience anxiety, excessive fear, stress, aggression, or difficulty adapting to changes may benefit from this type of treatment. Situations such as moving to a new home, the arrival of a new pet, or separation from the owner can have a strong emotional impact on dogs and cats. In these cases, homeopathic remedies may help restore emotional balance without causing sedation or dependency. Homeopathy can also be used in digestive problems, such as frequent vomiting, recurring diarrhea, or digestive discomfort. Some veterinarians report good results when the treatment is properly prescribed and monitored by a trained professional. In addition, there are cases where homeopathy is used to support the treatment of respiratory issues, such as persistent coughs, bronchitis, and respiratory allergies. In senior animals, it may also be used as a supportive therapy to help improve comfort and overall well-being. Among the homeopathic remedies most commonly used in dogs and cats are substances such as Arnica montana, often recommended for trauma, bruises, and post-surgery recovery, Nux vomica, sometimes used in digestive issues, Aconitum napellus, which may be recommended for cases of intense fear or emotional shock, and Apis mellifica, often used for allergic reactions and inflammatory conditions. These remedies are prepared in very high dilutions and are usually administered in the form of small pellets, drops, or tablets. Because they are highly diluted, they generally present a low risk of side effects, which is why many pet owners see homeopathy as a gentler alternative for treating their animals. However, it is important to emphasize that the safety of the treatment depends on guidance from a veterinarian trained in homeopathy. Even though these remedies are natural and diluted, homeopathic medicines must be selected individually. Each animal has unique physical, emotional, and behavioral characteristics, and treatment typically takes all of these factors into account. Another important point is that homeopathy should not completely replace traditional veterinary medicine, especially in cases of serious illness, severe infections, or emergency situations. In many cases, the best approach is integrative medicine, where conventional treatments and complementary therapies work together to provide the best possible outcome for the animal. Today, many pet owners are seeking more natural ways to care for their animals, and homeopathy has emerged as an interesting option within this context. When used under professional guidance, it can help treat various conditions, reduce stress in animals, and contribute to a more balanced and personalized approach to veterinary care. In this way, homeopathy for dogs and cats represents a treatment method that values the body's balance and its natural ability to recover. Although there is still debate about its effectiveness in some situations, many professionals and pet owners report positive results when it is applied correctly and integrated into a comprehensive veterinary care plan.